Good day guys, in this video tutorial I want to share with us how we can keep our engagement or followers, how we can keep the count increasing without spending much or spending unnecessarily. Right, let's get started. So on getting to my account like this, login, then click here, this business area or hire workers. So for instance, if you want like followers now, you will create tags here, right? So after you create the tags and it is now completed and you still want more followers on that same page, okay, let me use these tags as an example. This is Instagram like, right? Okay, for instance, I order for 5 likes on this post. Then I might need more than 5, but what I can afford for now is 20 naira so that I can start increasing like on this post. So now that I have more money to increase this like, so what we advise you to do to make use is this top up feature instead of using this. So if you use this top up feature, so you are assigning these tags, this particular tags, you have already created these tags before. You are assigning these tags to our workers that have not already liked this post before. That means your engagement for this like will keep increasing. So if you use this one to create new tags for an existing one that you've already created, what you are doing by doing such is you are giving these tags back to those that have already performed it, which means they will just end the tags and your count will not increase. So but if you top up with this, you make sure that these tags, this particular tags will be showing to those that have not already liked this post before. That means your count will keep increasing. So anytime if I add like 10 to this now, so from this completed status, so it will change to ongoing. This status, it is now completed, right? So once I add more now, if I top up more now, it will change to ongoing. That means workers that have not already liked this post, they will continue seeing it and keep increasing your engagement for this particular task. So I'm using this Instagram comment as an example. If you are buying followers too, that is how we recommend you should be doing. One person cannot follow you more than once. So but once you're increasing this, you have to make sure that those that will be continue seeing these tags in future, so they are those that have not followed you before, so that your count will keep increasing. All right, follow me. Now, to increase this now, to enable it back, it has already been completed now, and I have already have 5 like on this post, and I want it to be 15 like now. So what I will do now is I will just click on this top up, instead of creating another tag. So we just click on this top up. Can you see now? So it shows here that current quantity you have already get is 5 likes. Then you want more from those that have not already liked this post. So what we will do now is like let me add like 10 to the 5. So I will now click on this top up. Can you see? So you have successfully top up tax with ID 49 by 10, which cost 40 naira. So with what we have just done now, this tax will appear to those that have not liked this post before. So that is how top up feature works, and it will really help you to ensure that your count is increasing without spending unnecessarily. So now let's check the status of this tax. So it is completed before. Let's check now. Okay, can you see now that the status has changed to ongoing, which means, okay, we have already had 5 before, this is now 15. So we want 15 and 5 already like the post. Can you see the amazing feature of this top up? So please try to be making use of it. especially for tags you have already created before and you need more engagement on it, more like, more comment, more followers. So if you have already created tags for that page or post before, try to be using top up to increase the engagement of followers. Thanks.